In this lesson, I'm going to show you a few more ways that you can get your opponent in a quick checkmate. So this is a way that you can beat your friends and family in just a few moves. The first thing to understand for doing this is that both sides, the white side and the black side, they have some weaknesses at the beginning of the game. And the biggest weakness for the black army at the start of the game is this square right here, the F7 square. So what we're going to be doing in this video is showing you a few different ways that you can attack this F7 pawn and get a few quick checkmates. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to switch that pawn out and make it this red pawn here so that you can keep an eye on what we're doing and what we're trying to attack. To get started, white's going to make the great move here to e4. It's opening up the diagonal for their light squared bishop. It's getting one of their pieces into the middle of the board, so it's always a great move. And for this to happen, to get these quick checkmates, black has to play really passively. And a lot of times when you're playing beginners or people that aren't sure what they're doing, they'll start moving pieces on the sides of the board, just kind of trying to stay away from you because they're a little timid. So if black makes the move over here, it gives white the chance to get their bishop out. And now you can see we've got our first piece that's attacking this diagonal and attacking this F7 square. So if black doesn't see this coming and they decide to choose another move over here on the edge, maybe they move this pawn, just kind of trying to stay away from you still, it allows you to get another piece out. And we'll move our knight here to F3. Now if black continues to play passive and maybe they move their bishop over here, it allows the white another move to get their knight on a second chance to get it up here. And now you can see we have not only the bishop attacking this F7 square, but in just a couple moves, in 4 moves, we now have another piece. We've got 2 pieces eyeing down on this red pawn, this F7 square. If black doesn't see what's going on and they choose to continue to play passive, maybe they try to get their knight out here, it allows white on the next move to get a quick checkmate. And how we can do this is by moving the bishop to capture that F7 pawn. And as you can see, this is checkmate because the king has nowhere to go. It's kind of trapped in here by its own pieces. It can't go much and it can't capture this bishop because that bishop is being protected by the knight. There's no other piece that can take this bishop either, so this is checkmate. And in just a few moves, white has already won the game. Another way you can attack this weakness of black, you make the first move. If black plays passive and moves a pawn over on the side, it allows you to get your bishop out, the same as last time, attacking this F7 square. And if black continues to play passively, they can move a pawn over there. And I don't recommend this one as much. Notice last time we moved the knight out in order to get the knight to here and then here. This time it could be a little bit faster to move the queen here to F3. And so now we've got the queen eyeing down on this F7 square as well as the bishop, and if black doesn't see what's going on, this is going to be a really quick checkmate in just one more move. Now the reason I don't recommend doing this is because usually it's not good to get your queen out in front of your army this early in the game. If you start playing better and better people and you bring your queen out too early, they're going to learn how to trap it and you're going to lose your queen really early. So I like the knight one better, but this is a quicker way to get this fast checkmate if you're playing somebody that's a beginner and you think you can get away with it. So if black doesn't see it, they make another pawn move, say. On this next move, white can either take with the queen and it's a checkmate, or they could leave the queen there, or they could take with the bishop. Either way, it's a quick checkmate. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun attacking this F7 square against some different people. I think you're going to have a lot of fun checkmating people really quick with it. Hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you back here in the next video.